I just realized there's one random little thing that China is very different to other countries. Sneeze. So you say bless you after someone sneezes, right? But we say nothing. Because you're not gonna die for this. You're not gonna die for this. So in our theory, one sneeze means someone's judging you, two sneeze means someone miss you, three means someone is talking about you. So when you sneeze, we say someone miss you. What's the story?